Hello everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick with your political news roundup for Tuesday, February 21st. The Supreme Court will revisit the subject of reverse discrimination. The High Court agreed to take up the case of a woman who was denied admission to the University of Texas. Abigail Fisher, a white woman, claims the university's affirmative action program illegally prevented her from enrolling. The university has a policy that allows race to factor into its admission standards. Back in 2003, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of affirmative action, but changes in the court since then are leading observers to think the court could reverse itself after this case is argued, which is expected to happen sometime this fall. Don't stop there, keep going. That was President Obama's advice to Congress today. The president commented on last week's passage of an extension to the payroll tax cut and for unemployment benefits. Obama said the American public has no patience for political gridlock, despite it being an election year. He urged Congress to push ahead on additional steps to increase taxes on wealthy Americans and provide assistance to struggling homeowners. The actual bill extending the benefits has not yet reached Obama's desk for a signature. The latest political polls show no clear-cut leader among the candidates in next week's Republican presidential primary in Michigan. Today, a poll from the Michigan Information and Research Service puts Mitt Romney ahead of Rick Santorum by 2 percentage points, well within the poll's 4.7% margin for error. In the meantime, documents show Romney took in $6.5 million in campaign contributions in January. Newt Gingrich was second. He raised $5.6 million. Santorum and Ron Paul each raised $4.5 million. Romney's campaign spent nearly $19 million in the month. Overseas, it took a bargaining session of more than 13 hours, but Eurozone finance ministers finally agreed to save Greece from bankruptcy with a second bailout. Greece will get 130 billion euros, or about $170 billion. In return, the country had to approve severe budget cuts, and the holders of its bonds will be repaid at a rate of about 25 cents to the dollar. And more scandal for former International Monetary Fund leader Dominique Strauss-Kahn. He's being held for questioning in his alleged involvement with a French prostitution ring. Strauss-Kahn quit his post with the IMF last year after charges of sexual assault involving a female hotel worker in New York City. That's your political roundup for Tuesday, February 21st. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for more on these and other political and financial news stories throughout the day.